Hey everyone, welcome back. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to create an internal wiki in Clickup. An internal wiki is perfect for storing company knowledge, processes, and documentation in one central place that your team can easily access. Let's start right from the beginning. First, open your browser and go to the Clickup website. Once the page loads, sign in to your Clickup account using your email and password. After logging in, you'll land on your workspace dashboard where all your spaces and tools are available. Now, from the left sidebar, click on Docs. Docs are the foundation of your internal wiki in Clickup. Click Create Doc to start a new document. Give your doc a clear title, like Company Wiki or Team Knowledge Base, so everyone knows what it's for. Next, organize your wiki content using headings. Create sections for things like onboarding, company policies, tools, and standard operating procedures. Using headings not only keeps things readable, but also automatically builds a table of contents for easy navigation. You can also nest pages inside your main wiki doc. This lets you create subpages for specific topics like HR guidelines, marketing processes, or technical documentation. Nesting keeps your wiki structured and easy to expand as your team grows. Another important step is setting permissions. ClickUp lets you control who can view or edit each doc. You can give editing access to managers while allowing view-only access for the rest of the team. This helps keep your wiki accurate and up to date. You can enhance your wiki by adding images, links, tables, and even embedding tasks directly into docs. This makes instructions clearer and connects documentation with actual work happening in ClickUp. Once your wiki is ready, share it with your team or pin it to the sidebar so it's always easy to find. Encourage your team to use it as the single source of truth for company information. And that's it. Creating an internal wiki in ClickUp is a powerful way to centralize knowledge and improve team collaboration. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with your team, and subscribe for more ClickUp tutorials.